The Dream Detectives, unraveling the mysteries of sleep testing. A quiet room full of secrets. Imagine a room with a soft, comforting bed and dim lights. A person lies down, wires attached to their head and body. They are getting ready to sleep, but this is not a normal night. This is a sleep test, and the person is not alone. A sleep technician watches carefully, observing what happens during the night. What is this job all about? Who are sleep technicians? Sleep technicians, also known as sleep test specialists, play a crucial role in our health. They help diagnose sleep disorders like insomnia or sleep apnea. These disorders can affect anyone, and many people are unaware of their impact. Sleep technicians make it their mission to help those struggling to get a good night's rest. But how do they do this? Preparing for the night shift. Before the test begins, sleep technicians prepare the room. They check the equipment and set up the monitors. Each device measures different things like brain waves, breathing, and heart rate. When the patient arrives, technicians explain what will happen. They make sure the person feels comfortable. A calm patient will sleep better and provide more useful data. The night of the test. As night falls, the room becomes quiet. The technician watches through a window or a screen. They observe the patient's movements and breathing. If the patient has trouble, the technician is ready to help. They can adjust the equipment or comfort the person. Every detail is important because it provides valuable information for doctors. Analyzing the data. When the test is over, the real work begins. Sleep technicians analyze the data collected overnight. They look at everything: sleep patterns, breathing changes, and even movements. It is like solving a puzzle. Each sleep test is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. Technicians must pay attention to every detail to help find the right solution. The importance of sleep. Many people think sleep is just resting. However, sleep is vital for health. It affects our mood, energy, and even our memory. Poor sleep can lead to serious health problems like heart disease or diabetes. Sleep technicians remind us that getting good sleep is as important as eating healthy. They work hard to help people get the restful sleep they need. Myth-busting sleep beliefs. Many people believe that snoring is the biggest problem with sleep. However, did you know that not everyone who snores has a sleep disorder? It is a common myth that snoring means something is wrong. In fact, some people snore but sleep perfectly well. This surprises many people. Understanding sleep disorders goes beyond just snoring. Helping the helpers. Sleep technicians do not work alone. They collaborate with doctors, nurses, and other health professionals. The results from sleep tests help doctors create treatment plans. Working as a team ensures that patients get the best care. This teamwork makes the whole process smoother and more effective. Everyone plays a role in helping the patient. A rewarding career. Being a sleep technician is not always easy, but it is rewarding. They help people understand their sleep issues and find solutions. Many technicians say that seeing a patient improve is their greatest reward. Their efforts change lives for the better. Each success story gives them motivation to continue. The future of sleep testing. The field of sleep testing is growing. More people are learning about sleep disorders. New technology makes tests easier and more accurate. At-home sleep tests are becoming more common. This allows patients to test their sleep in a comfortable environment. Yet, sleep technicians will always be needed to analyze the results and provide guidance. Your sleep journey. If you think you have a sleep problem or feel tired during the day, consider speaking with a sleep technician. They can help you understand what is happening during your sleep. You are not alone in your journey to better sleep. The help of skilled professionals can guide you toward restful nights and energetic days. Engaging with sleep stories. Have you ever struggled to sleep or wondered why your sleep is not restful? What was your experience like? Did you find any solutions? Your story can help others who face similar challenges.